I just got in the bathtub yet.
He already had a bath.
Hey, bro, did you see that Dallas game?
I didn't see it, but I know the top score.
Yeah, Dallas won. They're pretty good. Dallas is pretty good.
No.
Obviously.
Say what the bet is. Say what the bet is.
No, Dallas is good.
I love Dallas. Say it. Say it. We made a bet. A bet is a fucking bet. Say, I love Dallas. Say it. Say it. Say it. I love Dallas.
I love Dallas.
And Miami Dolphins suck dick.
And the Miami Dolphins suck dicks.
Woo!
Enough small talk, bro. You can't see me in fantasy. And I got Nick Foles.